One day, some people were passing by a barren land. One of them said that there are diamonds under this land. They all were carrying their tools with them, so they started digging up the land from the four corners. And when they dug all the four corners of the land, some of them started saying that we have dug all the four corners of the land and we have not found anything till now, and we think that we will not get anything. But some of them was still hoping that we will get something, so some of them continued and some of them stopped. Then they started from the from the center of the land, and when they did half center of the land and the corners, then suddenly one of them found a big diamond under the land.